Once upon a time, we sang one song. We danced one dance, we got along. Once upon a time, we intertwined, we wined and dined, we were just fine. But when unwanted guests joined our fest and changed our beat, our feet got lost in a rhythm of extreme divisionism. Suddenly, we misunderstood the meaning of patriotism and bought into a notion of barbarism. And when we did this, we lost. We lost when we forgot that we were one people. That's when all our good turned to evil. We lost when we forgot that we shared the same culture and started targeting our own as would a vulture. We lost when we forgot that we spoke the same language, yet failed to understand one another. We lost when we forgot that we were sisters and brothers. And so we lost so much that we lost ourselves, allowed a living world to become a living hell. We lost so much, we lost 1,000,000 of our own. We lost so much, we will live to mourn those who were torn away from us. We lost so much when we forgot to trust in us. Which is why we must remember. We must remember the dear lives lost and what that cost us as a nation. We must remember that division leads to doom, that unity leads to bloom. So beware of even the hushed conversations of divisionism inside the comfort of your living room. We must remember to be the defenders of our values and not the offenders. Because only together can never again truly be never again. We must remember not to forget that we lost when we forgot.